Welcome to Viana Home, your go-to destination for breathtaking home design inspiration. In today's video, we're exploring the fascinating world of organic architecture, a design philosophy that harmonizes buildings with their natural surroundings. From the use of sustainable wood, stone, and earth, to fluid, nature-inspired forms, these homes are a celebration of craftsmanship and the environment. Whether you're dreaming of a peaceful retreat or looking to bring a natural aesthetic into your modern lifestyle, this episode is filled with ideas you'll love. So sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the beauty of homes that breathe with nature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Viana Home for more soulful design inspirations every week. Organic architecture is not just a style, it's a mindset. It respects the environment by responding to its topography, climate, and natural resources. The idea is to create structures that feel like an extension of their surroundings, making the built environment more humane, sustainable, and emotionally resonant. Wood, stone, clay, and even straw bales are more than just materials, they're storytelling elements that connect us to the earth. Their textures, imperfections, and aging process enrich the aesthetic while also providing sustainable and breathable architecture. From Frank Lloyd Wright's Falling Water to modern earth-sheltered homes in Scandinavia, iconic examples show how timeless and innovative this style can be. These homes prove that beauty and sustainability don't have to be separate goals. Living in an organic home fosters a deeper relationship with the seasons, daylight, and even animals around you. It encourages mindfulness and a slower pace of life, reminding us that architecture can shape not just space, but also how we feel and live each day. Thank you for joining us in this journey through the world of organic architecture. These homes show us that building with nature isn't just possible, it's beautiful, sustainable, and deeply fulfilling. If you found inspiration in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Viana Home, where design meets nature every week. Until next time, stay grounded and design with soul.